I'm going to turn this pendant into an earring. So what I've got here is the earring hook, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and bent nose pliers. So I shall pick up my round nose pliers and I'm going to remove the pendant bail by opening it. So now I've just got the bow. This is a bow pendant. So I shall now pick up my earring hook, or sometimes called earring wire. So to open it, I'm going to pick up my flat nose pliers, or I can also use my bent nose pliers, but I'll use this. I'm going to hold the ball because that can slip in sometimes, and then turn the opening to the side. So you like that? More turn it to the side than open it, because it weakens it if you kind of open it like that way. So I'm just kind of turn it to the side so there's a gap. I'm just going to hold the ball with my fingernail because that can drop in. Right, I'm going to pick up the bow pendant. So I've got the right side. And I'm going to simply slip it on. And slip it right on. So now it's on. I'm going to turn the pendant, I'm going to turn that hook to close it. Like that. Making sure that I'm moving the ball with my fingernail and bring it so I can close it. Checking that there's no gap. I'm just going to straighten it up. It's better to open it at the side so it doesn't weaken the earring hook. Now we've got a lovely pair of bow earrings. If you want to make the bow, I shall link that tutorial down. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Any comments, any questions, please pop them down below. And I'll put down my social media links and my Etsy shop.